charismatically sequenced procedure to respond. Um, the productions within this mass are equivalent to the production within this um, enigmatic um, productivity that's been produced. As you are well aware, we are corresponding with individuals in every matrix and design of the broad sense in terms the okay, I'll tell you. Now, Music is a Weapon Tour 2019. What we're looking at is that we can turn people into bologna, hot dogs, cheeseburgers, Faygo soda pops. You know, it's ridiculous, and we're producing it. So this is evil demonic satanic records.com. Thank you.